In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort by highest percentage in Google Sheets on desktop. If you've ever found yourself staring at a long list of data and needing to quickly make sense of it, you've come to the right place. Sorting your data effectively can be a game changer, allowing you to focus on what's most important and make informed decisions. So, let's dive right into it. First, open your Google Sheet. This is your starting point, the canvas where all your data magic will happen. Take a careful look at your sheet and locate the column that contains the percentages you need to sort. It's very important to accurately select the correct column because this is what you'll base your sorting on. Next, direct your attention to the top of your screen where you'll see the menu options. You're going to click on Data. This is the gateway to several options that will help you manipulate and analyze your data in numerous ways. Once you've clicked on the Data menu, you'll be presented with a list of options. Here, look for the Sort Sheet by Column option. Depending on the specific column letter you're sorting, you might have something like Sort Sheet by Column A, for example. When you see this option, you'll also notice two further choices: A, Z, and ZA. Since our goal today is to sort from the highest percentage to the lowest, you'll want to select ZA. What this does is tell Google Sheets to prioritize the higher numbers at the top of your column, making it much easier to immediately see the highest values at a glance. After selecting Z to A, take a moment as Google Sheets gets to work for you. During this step, it's actually reordering the rows in your spreadsheet so that everything aligns with your specified criteria. You may see the rows shift around, and once that's complete, you'll have a beautifully organized list starting with the highest percentages at the top and descending in order. And there you have it. That's all it takes to sort by highest percentage in Google Sheets on desktop. By following these simple steps, you've made your data instantly more understandable and actionable, paving the way for making quicker decisions backed by clear insights. Practice this a few times, and it will soon become second nature whenever you're working with data in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and happy sorting!